Homework 8, question 1. Given x of t is a wide-sense stationary process with expectation of x of t is equal to eta. Eta is a constant. And Rx of t1 and t2 is equal to Rx of tau, where tau equal to t1 minus t2. And let y of t is equal to the derivative of t, And the first question is to find the expectation of y of t. And where we can know from the question is that y of t is equal to the x of t derivative of t. And then we plugged it in, we do the derivative of expectation of ft of t, and we can know this part is equal to the eta, which is a constant, and the derivative of a constant is equal to 0. So the first question, expectation of y of t is equal to 0. And for the second one, we need to find the expectation of the multiply of xt and yt. And from the function, we can know that the rtt is equal to r0, where we do the expectation of t for the rtt, and we can know this part is equal to the e to the x square of t, which is 2 expectation of x prime t multiply xt, which x prime t is equal to yt, and this part is equal to xt multiplied by yt. And we can know that this part is equal to 0 because yt is equal to 0. So as a result, the expectation of xt multiplied yt is equal to 0. And for the next part, if we want rxt and yt are uncorrelated, if xt and yt are uncorrelated, expectation of xt multiply expectation of yt must equal to the expectation of xt and yt. And because both of them have this part is equal to 0, so they must be equal to 0. As a result, xt and yt are uncorrelated, and rxt and yt also orthogonal, because expectation of xt and yt is equal to 0, so this part must be orthogonal. For this question, it asks several points from the note. The first thing is the meaning of wide-sense stationary, and also the function of the calculation of the expectation.